In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a direct message in Slack. Direct messages, or DMs, are private conversations within your Slack workspace. They're perfect for quick questions, sharing a link, or checking in with a teammate without cluttering a channel. Think of them as your fastest path to a one-on-one chat, while still keeping everything organized inside Slack. First, open Slack on your desktop. On the left sidebar, look for DMs. Click it to open the Direct Messages section. If it looks collapsed or you don't immediately see it, hover over the sidebar and expand the section so your recent one-on-one chats appear. This area is your home base for all private conversations. To start a brand new message, head to the left pane and click the new message icon near the top. You'll recognize it as a small pencil inside a square. This opens a compose window or panel where you'll choose who you want to message, so you can jump right into a private conversation. Now, select your recipient. Start typing the person's name and choose the correct match from the list that appears. If you need to reach a few teammates at once, you can add multiple names to create a small group DM. It stays private to that group, which is handy for quick decisions that don't need a full channel. With your recipient selected, move to the message field at the bottom and start composing. Keep your note clear and concise, and add helpful context so the person understands what you need and why. If you have multiple points, break them into short paragraphs to make the message easy to scan. You can use simple formatting to highlight key details, and add emojis to set the tone when appropriate. If you're writing to more than one person, consider at and mentioning the person responsible so it's clear who should respond first. When everything looks good, send your message, and the recipient will be notified based on their preferences. That's all there is to it. You clicked DMs, started a new message, chose who to reach, and wrote your note. If you can't find someone, double check that you're in the correct workspace and that they're a member. And if a DM grows into a longer project, consider moving the conversation into a channel to keep the work searchable and visible to the right people. You now know the simplest, most reliable way to send a direct message in Slack. Practice it a couple of times, and it'll quickly become second nature.